Hi there, garden enthusiast. Ever looked at your small garden, backyard, and thought, how on earth can I turn this into a green haven? Well, you are in for a treat because today we are diving into the magical world of small backyard gardens. No need to be a landscaping expert or have a ton of space. We are here to show you how to transform that teeny plots into a flourishing paradise. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get ready to make the most out of every inch of your outdoor space. Transforming a tiny background is into a green haven is simpler than you might think. Even if your space is limited, there is a world of possibilities waiting for you. In this section, we will diving into the basics of small backyard gardens, exploring the charm and potential they hold. No need for a massive plots. We will guide you through the art of making the most out of your compact outdoor spaces. Small background backyard gardens are like hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting, the principles are the same. How to utilize the available space intentionally and turn it into a beautiful sanctuary. We will explore plant choices, clever layouts, and easy to follow tips that make your small garden not only visually appealing but also a joy of spend time in. Let's embark on this journey together, discover the secrets of creating a thriving garden no matter the size. When it comes to selecting plants for your small backyard garden, it is crucial to know your space well. Discovered, consider the sunlight, those does your garden get a lot, a bit, or somewhere in between? Opt for plants that match the sunlight vibe. Think about your soil too. Some plants love rich soil while others are cool with simpler dirt. Knowing these basics help your picking green poles that will be happy in your garden. Nobody wants a high maintenance relationship with their plants, right? So go for the lower maintenance camp. Look into plants that not demand constant attention. Maybe some resilient flowers or herbs that are cool with a bit of negligent. This way your small garden become a haven, not a chore. Choose plants that not fully fit into spaces but your own lifestyle. Keep it simple and your garden with thank you with burst of color and freshness. Now let's talk about how to arrange your small garden backyard in a way that is not just pretty but also practical. Imagine this as your personal puzzle, fitting everything snugly, being by plotting out zones for different types of plant. Maybe one area for colorful flowers, other for herbs, and a cozy corner for some comfy sitting. This make your garden feel organized and give each plant its own space to shine. Consider going vertical. Hang some pots or use shelves to create layers of greenery without taking up much grounds. It is like adding a touch of nature to your walls. Don't forget about pathways. They are like the vein of your garden, guiding you through the beauty. Maybe use stepping stones or a winding trail, whatever suits your style. These simple tricks can turn your small space into a charming haven, perfect for relaxing and entertaining with friends. Now let's talk about adding your unique flair to your small backyard oasis without breaking the bank. Dye garden decor is not only budget friendly but also bring a personal touch to your green space. Consider starting with handmade plants, markers using cycles, sticks or painted rocks, a simple yet charming way to identify your plants. Another easy and enjoyable project is creating your own garden art. Gather old unused items like wooden pallets or metal containers and transform them into eye catching pieces. A fresh coat of paint or some creative detailing can turn this item into statement pieces for your garden. It is all about expressing your style and make your small garden truly yours. When it comes to making the most of your backyard, choosing the right furniture and decor is a game changer. Opt for compact and affordable options that can easily be stored when not in use. Consider versatile pieces like collapsible tables and stackable chairs, allowing you to create an inviting spaces for gathering while keeping flexible in mind. Look for budget-friendly solutions at your local stores or online, ensuring that your choices not only save space but also suit your taste. Now let's talk decor. Embrace vertical elements like hanging planters and wall mounted shelves to add a touch of greenery without sacrificing ground space. Think creativity about lighting. Fairy lights or solar powders lanterns not only illuminate your cozy garden retreat but also contribute to a magical embrace. Don't forget to personalize your space with cushions, rugs, and weather resistant fabrics for comfort and style. By thoughtfully selecting space, saving furniture and decor, you will turn your small backyard into a functional and charming oasis that reflect your personality. In conclusion, turning your small backyard into a charming garden is totally doable. By wisely choosing plants that thrive in limited space, getting creative with layouts, and adding some dye garden decor, you will be amazed at the transformation. Don't forget the vertical spaces, walls, and trellis can be your green allies. Space saving furniture and simple